says, oh, this rapid reduction cream. There's nothing rapid about a wrinkle. If it took you years to get it, it may take years to get rid of it. Unless you're gonna do laser, you know, laser, yeah, okay, yeah, that's instant. But you're gonna look like you're crazy after that laser. You're gonna look like, oh my god, what did I do? But then about 30 days, wrinkle is gone.
Really? It really works?
Yeah, CO2 fraction lasers are like the best. It's just an expensive procedure and it hurts.
Does it hurt?
They numb you up pretty good, but even then, lasers are laser. Lasers, even if
What does it burn?
Yeah, they're frying out all the little wrinkles in the face, so your skin can grow from scratch. Because even the chemical peel can't really get rid of a wrinkle totally. It can soften it up, make it look a little bit better, but it's not gonna get rid of it. It's being nice and gentle. And as sharp as this blade is, yeah, I always make sure I go slow and take my time.
What if we put on Groupon just for the dermaplaning, and then when they call to ask questions about it, then I can try to sell the facial? You see? Because they go hand in hand. How do you feel? How long do you think a dermaplaning session takes?
Depends on the person's face, but let's just say it's somebody who has kind of crazy skin. At worst, I would say maybe 30 minutes.
At worst?
25 to 30, yeah. Just dermaplaning alone, like no face.
That's what I mean.
You know, yeah. But minimum, shit, you can have it done in 10, 15 minutes.
Yeah.
So like your face is easy to work with, but I mean somebody has like really bad problems and shit.
How does that work when you're doing, like, what if someone has acne, are they a candidate for dermaplaning?
Only in certain areas where I can dermaplane that, but
without
I always tell them
cutting
like,
their, you know, their pimples.
Because some people, yeah, they'll want it done. Like, I can work around it. I just cannot go over the areas that you really want me to.
And then that's when you can suggest to them, I think you need this treatment. You need a facial.
Yep. But I normally always work it in with the facial, because doing it by itself, it's good for some people. But I'm like, no, you need the facial. Like, come on, you need me to cleanse the skin. You need me to do a chemical peel right after, and then you won't have that acne after I do the chemical peel.
Yeah.
But it's gonna burn like last time, remember?
Oh my gosh, that was nuts. Oh my gosh.
That was nothing. Those are just two little hairs being pulled.
No, you're cutting my hair.
It feels low. Nope, I'm right on the line. I don't mess with nobody's hairline or baby hairs, edges. It just feels like it. Like even when I was at the top of the eyebrow, I'm like, I stop right here. But it feels like I'm on the eyebrow, doesn't it? It's like, hey man, what you doing? You cut my eyebrow? I don't mess with nobody's eyebrow. Because sometimes it takes a long time to grow them back. You know what I mean? So, now, some people grow within like 2 weeks, you know, if you make a mistake, it grows back, but not everybody can grow like that. That you won't see with the human eye, because your hairs are so fine. Like even I can't really see them until I scrape them and see a collection of them. My eyes are great, and I still can't see them. So that's the thing with our skin; it gets bunched up and gets clogged because of these small super hairs called vellus hairs, or peach fuzz, aka, and it stops your pores, clogs them up. And so if you have, somebody of color, like dark, super dark, you're not gonna see no hair. It's already blended. It's, no.
Let me call my friend Shamika real quick so that she can see. No, I want you to keep going.
Okay.
I'm trying to talk her to come in.
Turn this on.
I hate her.
Yeah, get that mustache because I don't like it. You can get mine too. I thought you were ignoring me. I was about to pull up to your house and kidnap one of your dogs, but I'm ordering a sample today. And you should too. You can't say anything because he's shaving your mustache. But your skin looks beautiful though. Okay,
You need to get a facial. No, you need to get a facial.
I'm gonna come because it looks like he's getting really close. That's what I need. I need somebody to get really close.
Then this is Shamika.
Hi, Shamika.
Hi.
She's crazy. It'll be a very fun.
Why do you always say that?
What?
Why do you always say that?
You're so crazy.
I need help.
Like, you don't need help. You're just crazy.
I know, sorry.
I can go get help.
I hear you. I hear you. But
Yeah, call me back when you're finished. That looks so nice.
I know it's relaxing. But I'll be done in a little bit. I was just calling you.
But yeah, we're gonna have to order the samples because I want to go on vacation forever with you.
I know. We'll talk. We'll look at it. Are you two? Okay, we'll talk. I'll be done shortly.
Tell people okay the stuff that you don't really need.
But she's so crazy. She wants to open a hair vending machine.
That's a good idea.
Is it a good idea?
Yeah,
She wants me to start. Yeah, she wants.
My instructors a long time ago told me you're gonna have problems just because you're a male, period. And I can be right, but in the end, it doesn't matter. You're just gonna have some people that don't trust you because how many people are in this field? That's true. Well, how many men? So I'm gonna get the chin, which I'm gonna lift up towards the neck as much as you can. Yeah, perfect.
They always get like what do you call it? Like an ingrown hair once in a while. It's usually when I do get it, it's like under there somewhere. So irritating.
Easy, and they blend in with your skin. So there's people like I know you've seen some people like facial hair where it's like kind of weird and crazy. A lot of Indian women get that because their hair grows like no other one on this planet Earth. Like, I don't know why. They say it's something to do with the equator, like they're always in a hot climate, which makes them perspire so much to where their hair.
Yeah, because the hair is there to help you with that.
And they have it bad. I've seen teenagers with just like hairy backs and everything.
Yeah, because you know that the sweat will be, absorbed by that hair.
And then plus they eat a lot of spices. Hispanic people are the same way. Like they eat a lot of spicy food, so they're hairy in certain places. Yeah, that's true. Because they got like hair on their legs, back. But the spices, because it's always making you detox, always making you sweat. Your body's basically in a flux or some sort of hyper sensitive reaction to everything that you're eating. So if you're eating cumin, turmeric, it's basically flushing out, so you're good. You're easy.
Okay.
So it's flushing out so much to where it's making the response of your hair like just grow crazy.
You gave me that option instead of the peel. I'm serious. We didn't do it.
Can we do it this time?
We can try it.
Yes. All right.
But if it hurts, then I don't know.
No, it's not gonna. Oh Lord.
We'll see.
It's not supposed to hurt at all.
I'm scared.
So, no, I'm just gonna put it right on your skin so you can feel it, so you can see how it feels. Not too bad.
Don't push.
I didn't push. I'm just doing this.
It should be okay. Just don't push.
Oh, well.
Okay, come on. Let's see. What does it do?
It opens up the pores so then the product, the CBD, can go into the skin.
Oh, good.
There's no